Please find your sentence study page in your Reader's Workshop binder. These pages will all have a sentence on them, and they'll go along with the story we're reading. This week we're reading the story Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. And so we're going to do a little practice using this sentence. The sentence says, the letters raced up the tree. What we're going to do is we're going to find all the nouns in this sentence, and we're going to circle them with either a blue marker or a blue crayon, whichever you have. So you need to get out your page and a blue crayon or marker. Let's read the sentence again. The letters raced up the tree. Okay, so let's review what a noun is. A noun is either a person, a place, or a thing. So now we're going to look at each word in our sentence and determine if it's a noun or not. The is not a person, place, or thing. It's not a noun, so I'm not going to do anything. Letters. Are letters a person? Nope. Are they a place? Nope. Are they a thing? Yes. Letters are a thing. So I need to circle the word letters with my blue crayon or marker. Letters are the noun in the sentence. Okay. Raced. Is this a person, place, or thing? No. Raced is what the letters are doing. This is not a noun. It's something that you do. Okay. Up. Is that a person, place, or thing? No, not really. In this sentence, it's used to describe how they're racing. So it's an adverb. So we don't need to circle it. The, again, not a person, place, or thing. Tree. Person, place, or thing. Well, a tree is a thing. In this story, it's also a place. Tree. So those are the two nouns in the sentence. Letters and tree. All you need to do is circle those with your blue crayon or marker, and then you're going to color the picture of the coconut tree and keep that page in your Reader's Workshop binder.